Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. We are back with another video. In this video, I will tell you about how you can scan your website to protect upcoming threats from cyber criminals. So, what I'm gonna do, I have one announcement. I will scan five websites for free, first five websites for free through my tools and through my skills, and I will give you complete audit report so that you can counter upcoming cyber threats. So the tool I'm gonna use is Burp Pro, and this scanning is only available in Burp Pro. It is not available in Burp Community Edition. So what I'm gonna do, I have already conducted a scan on one of my website, my own website. Here you can see that. Let me show you again. You can conduct a scan on clicking on new scan, web app scan, and you can put your URL here, link here. Um, I have put my website link. Click on this. You have four types of scan. I can make another video to explain these four types of scan, but I'm gonna go with this type of scan for now. Click on this. Here you can see that the scanning has been started. Okay, so the end result will be like this. Here you can see that we have completed this scan, and here we have four types of issues. Number one is related to information, like it could be a issue in future. So it would be great if you counter this before becoming it an issue. The second issue will be of low severity. You can see that we have low severity issue, 26 issues. The third issue is of medium severity, and the fourth issue will be is the issue of high severity. So here you can see that we have these issues here. Okay, so let me make it simple. We have these issues. Here we have also filters. If, we can apply filters. Click on this. We have no medium issues, and we have these low issues. So what we are gonna do, if you click on one of any of this issue, you can find out the complete details about that issue. You can see that here the issue detail, issue background. You can also get issue background, and you can also get issue remediation. And if you want to further explore it, you can also get references to visit those websites. So I have already made an announcement that I will run a scan and audit for first five websites. If you are interested, just comment your website link. I will conduct proper scan audit, and then I will make a complete report how you can counter upcoming threats to your website. So I'm very excited to working with you. Looking forward to hearing from you. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.